guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Airlift.
जी मैं कुवैत से रंजीत.
Firstly, let us all make our peace with the fact that this is an actual thing that has happened. Pad liya? Yeah? Okay, moving on. Airlift is the fictionalized account of what happened when 170,000 Indians had to be rescued in 1990 from Kuwait because Saddam Hussein decided to be and attack and loot and plunder, basically kill everyone in sight. But he didn't want to kill Indians because India had apparently been good to Iraq thus far. Great, अब हम बच गए, लेकिन जाए तो जाए कहाँ? The Indian government doesn't seem to care too much, and the Kuwaiti government already has fled like mice from a sinking ship. Bye.
कुवैत हमारी प्रायोरिटी नहीं है.
Enter Akshay Kumar, मंजे रंजीत कटियाल, a wealthy businessman with so many connections कि अगर कोई कुछ कर सकता है तो वो यही है.
जी मैं कुवैत से रंजीत कटियाल बोल रहा हूँ.
जी
मुझे कुवैत में रहे इंडियंस के सिचुएशन के बारे में बात करनी थी. We need help and we need it right now.
और वो कर भी दिखाता है. He manages to get everybody together at this makeshift refugee camp, gets food organized, talks to the ministry in Delhi, and single-handedly spearheads a rescue operation that has never been attempted of this scale ever before, which is why India actually is right on the Guinness Book of World Records. Yeah, a businessman, mind you. In real life though, this was done by two people, but because we have only one Akshay Kumar, these two were merged into one for cinema purposes. Okay, पहले good news है, चलो. अक्षय कुमार जब बेबी स्पेशल 26 टाइप के फिल्में करता है ना, भाई साहब बहुत बढ़िया करता है. ही इज फैंटास्टिक. डायरेक्टर राजा मेनन hasn't wasted too much time in any फालतू का रोना धोना टाइप सिचुएशन. Nope. The second half is wonderfully paced. It has everything that a commercial cinema fan might require. Also somebody who's looking for a film that will add meaning to their lives. सब कुछ है, सब कुछ. Purab Kohli is amazing and so earnest in his performance as Ibrahim. I am going to give him an inappropriately prolonged hug if I run into him anytime soon. Okay, now the bad news. Nimrat Kaur, nope. I love you, but nope, nahi hua. One scene, she has a showdown with this man at the camp who's just creating trouble for everybody, and all I could focus on why her hands are doing what they're doing. It's like unnatural, weird. Nope. वो इराकी जनरल का accent.
फैमिली लेकर निकल जाओ, सोशल वर्क में लग गए तो फंस जाओगे मिस्टर रंजीत.
Tiny, powerful, mustachioed man who likes to kill people. Where have we seen this before? Despite playing a guy who initially is really like, oh my god, I don't like my Indian roots, he goes to a party with his wife and breaks out into a song and dance Hindi sequence. Just take a look. Even the singer who was hired to be entertainment at this party is sitting down at one point and is like, why? आप ही कर लो फिर मतलब. And listen, I'm sorry I'm making this reference, but while I was watching Argo, stress eating में मतलब मैंने पूरा टब खत्म कर दिया था पॉपकॉर्न का. यहाँ पे मुझे उतना फील नहीं हुआ, but जितना हुआ बढ़िया हुआ. On a scale of 1 to 10, Airlift is, man, I was 2 years old when this happened. The world has been messed up from the word go. Akshay Kumar has personally promised me that he'll continue to do good films if you subscribe to Film Companion. That might or might not be a lie. Subscribe to find out and get your film fix also.